a delicious cake buns. Watch the full video. I greet you all according to your time, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to my kitchen. I have all-purpose flour here. I put 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I add 4 tablespoons of sugar. I mix the dry ingredients. I've finished mixing the dry ingredient, which is all-purpose flour, sugar, and baking powder. It's time to work with my hand as I add butter. I add butter. I will mix it together. Good morning, viewers. Good afternoon. Good evening. I greet you all according to your time, wherever you are watching me from. I'm making cake buns. I'm using 4 eggs. It's time to add the wet ingredients. Milk. You can choose to use water. Then I started mixing it. I'm making cake buns. The all-purpose flour, as I am mixing it, you don't need to be watery. You don't need to be strong. This is the consistency that I want. I will continue mixing it until it gives me cream color like this. I'll finish mixing it. I will heat the vegetable oil. Then I start to fry it. I've heated the oil. Let me see if it is hot. I test it like this. I think it's good to go. It's time to fry it. The oil is hot. I will not overcram the pot so that it will have space if I'm turning it. It's time to be turning it. Look at how beautiful it is. Please, if you come across this video, help me to share it as you watch to the end. When the cake buns is golden brown for the both sides, you will know your buns is ready. Our cake buns is ready. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. This is the second batch of the cake buns. The cake buns is ready. Once you see it golden brown for the both sides, you will know your cake is ready. It did not take time to fry. 2 to 3 minutes is ready. Guys, our cake buns is ready. It crunchy outside, soft inside, very delicious. If you watch up to this time, thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.